Hi, welcome to our reasoning classes. So, we'll start a series of puzzles. We'll solve daily basis. We'll try to solve on daily basis a puzzle. Now, today we have taken a puzzle which is already displayed on your screen. So, see what is written. 7 different persons T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z buy 7 different gifts for their family starting from Saturday to Friday. So, 7 persons are there and 7 days in a week, Saturdays to Friday. So, you have to first write this thing. Saturday, we will start from Saturday, Sunday, Monday. But remember, in exam, no need to write. We have to this long form. We have to write more short form, like you can write SA, SU, M, T, WE, Wednesday, or W, then TH, Thursday and Friday. Okay. So now what is given? The next data. Only 2 persons buy gifts after you. So only 2 persons means it will be. So you will be on Wednesday. You will buy gift on Wednesday. Why? Because only 2 persons are there. So only 2 days will be there after you. And you buys snacks. So you buys snacks. In exam you will write only SN. It is enough. 4 persons buy gift between Z and the 1. So Z, 4 persons, Z and the one who buys gift, who buys idols. Okay, so idols means, so now another thing is written here that Z buy gift before you. Okay, so Z will be in the topmost position and idol will be in the bottom. Now another thing written that Y who buys gift on Sunday. So Y is on Sunday. It is a direct information given. Sunday does not buy candle. Okay, so does not buy candle. Now, so here if Sunday is Y, then Z cannot be on Monday, because if Z is on Monday, then you have to give 4 gap, then you have to write idle. So it will not be Z on Monday. So only option here it is which is available to us is Saturday. So Saturday and Friday, so 1, 2, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then Thursday will be idle. Okay. So now next data. 3 persons buy gift between the one who buy colors and the one. 3 persons who buy gift between the one who buy colors and the one who buy clothes. Color was not bought on Friday. So clothes will be bought on Friday. Color was not bought on Friday. Color and the one who buys. So color and clothes. So here color will be on Monday to maintain the gap of 3 things. Okay. So we have to write here. Otherwise there is no other option. If you write on Z or Y the color, then it is not possible to give the gap and write, because snack and idol is already written. Now so this is the thing, color and the one. So color was not bought on Friday. One of the person who buy flowers. W buys gift after T. So W buys gift after T but before X. Okay, so W buys after T but before X. V buys gifts at the last. Okay, so we are written the correct thing. V at the last. Sweet was bought on Tuesday. So sweet was bought on Tuesday. And so what is the thing, remember? So remaining, so Sunday it will not be candle, so Saturday will be candle and and Y will be flower. One of the person buys flowers, so flower. So this is the answer. Okay, so in this way we can solve the puzzle. So we will do another puzzle on the next day or upcoming days. Okay, bye then.